Have you ever wondered, do I really need a filament dryer? The answer is yes, because that is exactly where we are at here today. So the other day, my husband tried to print something in TPU, and the TPU was not dried out. We do not have a dryer. We tend to put our filament down by the heater and cross our fingers that that works. It did not work this time. Here are the results of moist TPU moist. Here we go. You ready for this? Now this was supposed to be an organizational container thing. It's fascinating. It's a work of art in and of itself. Like, look at that. That's crazy. So this is what happens when there's air bubbles all over in your filament, right, honey? Air bubbles?
When there's water, so when it evaporates, you know, when it turns to steam in the when it turns to steam in the hot end, it boils.
It does this.
It does that.
When it turns to steam in the hot end. Let's try to utilize this crazy epicness, because you couldn't get this effect if you tried. So we're gonna do like a vase and see if we can make some sort of crazy awesome vase thing. Let's give it a shot. Here you go.
Thank you.
Yes. All right. First things first, I gotta change out the filament because it has wait, is this PETG or PLA?
Should be PETG.
And yes, we have moved the 3D printer into the dark cubby. It's very dark in here. We can never see anything because the light that used to be in here does not work anymore. The pull chain thing doesn't work. Alright. Filament remove. Husband's getting the vase file ready. We'll see what he picks out. He has handed me the card. One card to hold the files. One card to hold them all. While that's warming up, let me retrieve the TPU. Don't mind the mess over here. It's hiding under here. Right where the vent is. It's a very wobbly strand.
Your face is a wobbly strand.
Don't mind this. This is just what we were trying to hydrate the house with, humidify the house with, and it's very heavy mineral content in it. Don't mind that. Maybe we did it too well, honey, and that's why we have to dry out the TPU. Alright, filament remove again. Oh, it seems stuck, honey.
What?
The removal.
So cool.
I've been pulling. I didn't want to pull too hard. Oh, babe, this is not a good setup in here. Like, it's so hard to even see.
So?
No, I got it. Okay, my dude, see, this is our setup now in the cubby. I would say it's less than ideal. But the nice thing is the printer is kind of like out of the way, and it's also not as loud. This is such a mess. Look at this, you guys. Can you believe this? Sometimes we put the other moving blanket in front of here to block out the sound if we're watching a movie. Oh, we dropped a deuce. Oh, that's running real bad. Oh gosh. Yeah, this TPU is gonna go so great. I'm gonna hit stop. Think I should level this thing twice? Oh man. Level. Auto level. Use a tool. It's hot, so oh, it's hot and a mess. Don't mind this picture. It's just me when I was little. There's a reason why it's hiding behind the rolls of filament. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, hang on there, guys. It's just, it's probing. I'm gonna have to put a maturity rating on this video.
You're gonna have to filter 90%. Remember, put the stuff on the pad, not on the
Pad first.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a mess. Compare, leveling, auto leveling. Water vase? Is it water vase?
Huh?
Water vase?
I have no idea. Let's go with that.
Let me get the time lapse set up. One time I wanted it to turn out like crap and it turns out great. Okay, almost great. There is a little bit a problem area. It's so bright. Oh gosh. There's a little bit a problem area right here. But otherwise this is a beaut. I wanted it to be like this, but of course it did not turn out like that because I don't know. It is squishy. This was an absolute fail of a video. I don't know what the point of it was. I guess I don't need a dryer. All we need to do is put it by the vent for 3+ days and it works. I don't know what my story is here. But I thank you for being a part of it.